In this video we will see how to install Kali Linux in Virtualbox from Windows 11. To start, the first thing we have to do is download Virtualbox. We can download it from your official website. I'll leave the link in the video description. The installation is very simple. Once it is already installed, we will download the image of Kali Linux for virtual machines. The download link will be in the video description. Once we're in this section of virtual machines, we're going to select the Virtualbox and we're going to press download. You will start downloading a file like this that has CIVINS format. I'm going to pause it because I've already downloaded it. Once the Kali Linux file is already downloaded, let's extract its content. In order to extract this content, we will download a program. In this case, I recommend downloading this program directly. I'll leave you the download link in the video description. We just click on the download. The installation is also very simple. And once the program is already installed, now we will right-click on the Kali Linux file. And then, in More Options, we go to the option of 7zp. And let's select the extract option in the folder name in this case. We wait to finish the extraction. Alright, once the extraction's over, let's go find the folder. In this case, he appeared all the way down. We open the folder and here we're going to locate these two files. Next thing we're going to do is open Virtualbox. And once we open Virtualbox, we go here to the machine option. And we press the add button. Now, let's locate the folder we decompressed. Here it is, let's open it. And let's select this file. We click open. And here we already have our imported virtual machine. Now we can apply some adjustments to improve performance. We selected the virtual machine from Kali Linux. And we press settings. Here we can add more RAM. This is going to depend on the capacity of your computer. In my case, let me add up to 10 GB oil. It is important not to exceed the green line. In my case, I'll leave it at 8 GB oil. And then in the processor we can also increase the number of cores or we can reduce it. It is important not to exceed the green line. I'll leave it in 3 processor cores. Now in the screen part, you have to verify that all video memory is activated. And once we check these settings, we can click OK. And now we can start our virtual machine with Kali Linux. Let's wait for it to start. It's already starting here. And that's it. Here you load the Kali Linux group menu. Let's select the first option. We enter. Now here we can log in with the default user. The default user is Kali. And the password is Kali. We're in session. And up to this point, we already have Kali Linux installed correctly on our Virtualbox virtual machine. Now the next step I recommend to do. It is to install drivers for this virtual machine. To do this, we go to the device option. And we selected the option to insert the guest edition CD. And as you can see, it's already inserted. Let's open this CD dice. And once we're inside this CD folder, let's open a terminal here. We're right-clicking and open terminal here. Now let's write the command. We press Tabs key. And we must write this one here. It must be written this way. We press enter. We write the password for Kali's user. Remember, the password is Kali. We give enter. We tell him if we want to continue. We wrote yes. And we pushed enter. Ready. Here you have finished installing the drivers for our virtual machine. And now once we've finished running these commands, we can restart the virtual machine now. For all these adjustments to be applied, we just click here on the X and turn off the machine. Let's start it again. The group menu appears. We just pressed enter. Start loading the operating system. From here we can now put the full screen. In fact, an automatic fits the size of our screen. Let's go here to Vista. And we select full screen. We write our user who is Kali. And Kali password. And ready. We already have our virtual machine with Kali Linux running 100%. If this video worked for you, don't forget to leave one I like. And subscribe to this channel. To keep watching more videos like this. If you have any doubts, you can leave a comment here in the video. See you in the next video.